Hello traders, and this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 3rd on a Thursday, and taking a look at the market, you can see quite an ugly day yesterday in the SPY. We had a gap down below the 10, closed, let's just call it right at the 20, I guess, but you can see we are gapping down below that today. So not a real time that I want to be taking on a whole little, a lot of new positions. Maybe if you a lot of times, if I see a big gap down to a key moving average, I'll buy maybe a quarter of a position or something like this. But we are going to look at some setups, guys. But just keep it tight out there because not the greatest environment, I think, for swing trading. But nonetheless, let's take a look. This RITM. Sorry, there we go. RITM. Earnings this morning. Not a whole lot happening, but I am loving this setup. Held up yesterday and boy, a break above, let's call it that 1033. Doesn't look like this thing moves, in a whole lot of dollars, but nonetheless could be an exciting move there if it does break above that, let's call it a monthly high there, several monthly high. XPEV, China has been holding up. I mean, I pretty much got stopped out of everything except for some of my China plays yesterday. If you take a look at KWeb here, you can see what I'm talking about. It did get driven down yesterday pretty hard, but you can see it's gapping back up close to yesterday's high in KWeb. So my focus is on China. If it's not right for you, you don't feel comfortable, then don't play it. But quick names, XPEV, liking the setup there, pulled back to its moving average. Look for a reversal above yesterday's high. NEO, kind of the same pattern there. I would rather catch this thing down on the 10-period moving average, so it's really not one of my big plays. Fold, keep an eye on Fold. This is a biotech setting up nicely. But that's it for today, guys. I'm going to keep it tight. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.